You are watching Math with Yasser Arfat. Today we have the first lecture on most important question of exercise 6.1 sequence and series, in which we are going to discuss arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? Here, what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression, for example, if we have to write down the sequence 2, 4, 6 and so on, the difference between two consecutive terms remains same. For example, 4 minus 2, their difference is 2. 6 minus 4, the difference is 2, and so on. 8 minus 6, the difference is 2. The difference between two consecutive terms remain constant. That sequence is called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. In short, it is AP. AP stands for arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? The difference between two consecutive terms remain constant. These are called the terms. This is the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So here we have to use the formula for arithmetic progression. Before starting the question, we have to discuss its formula here. Tn is equals to, that is, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A, it is its first term, n means total number of terms, total number of terms. D is its common difference, and Tn, it is the general term or the last term, or the general term. So please remember this point, dear students. AP stands for arithmetic progression. So what is the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression a progression in which the difference between two consecutive terms remain constant is called arithmetic progression. For example, we have considered this sequence here: 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6. The difference is same. So this type of progression or the sequence is called arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. In short, it is AP. And this is the formula: Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where n it is total number of terms, n it is total number of terms, A it is the first term of the sequence, D is the common difference, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4 or 8 minus 6. Tn, it is the last term of the sequence or the general term of the sequence as well. General term of the sequence. Now come to the question here. We have discussed what is AP and the basic formula we have discussed with you, dear students. Now start the question here. Again, focus this one here. We have discussed here what is AP and which formula it is. This is the basic formula which we have to use in this question number 5. We are going to discuss the most important question, most expected question of exercise 6.1, that is question number 5. Now come to the question number 5. How many terms are there in AP arithmetic progression? 2 over 3, 1 over 2, 1 upon 3 and so on. The arithmetic progression is given whose last term is minus 17 upon 6. So here question says how many terms are there. That means we have to find out the number of terms. So here first we have to write down the sequence here which is given in the question. That is 2 over 3, 1 over 2, 1 over 3 and so on. The first term, it is A. A means the first term of the sequence, that is 2 over 3. Then D, it is the common difference between two consecutive terms, first term minus second term, third term minus second term, and so on. So here, second term minus first term, 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3. D means the common difference between two consecutive terms, 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3. Just take out the LCM here. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and 2 2s are 4. So this is 3 minus 1, that is minus 1 over 6. This is the common difference. This is the A, first term. And whose the last term is this, and we have discussed the last term or the general term, it is represented by Tn, it is equals to minus 17 over 6. Question says how many terms are there, that means we have to find out n in this situation here. Now come to the question again here, how many terms are there in AP? AP is given whose last term is minus 17 upon 6. AP stands for arithmetic progression. So this is the given sequence here. First term, it is A. The difference between these two terms, it is D. The last term means it is Tn, and what is required? N is equals to how many terms are there? That means we have to find out n here. So we have a simple formula. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So just we have to put the values here. Just we have to put the values here. Tn, that means minus 17 over 6. What is Tn? Tn, it is minus 17 over 6. A means 2 over 3 plus n, and it is required. And the difference is minus 1 over 6. This is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So just we have to put their values which are given here, A, D and Tn. We will find out n. So this is minus 17 over 6, 2 over 3 plus minus minus, and this is n minus 1 over 6. So just take out this LCM here. So what will be the LCM between 3 and 6? It will be 6 here. So 6 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Minus 6 divided by 6, 1, then multiply by 1, remains same. Just we have to take out the simple LCM between these two fractions here. So this 6 will cancel out to this one. So this is minus 17, it is equals to minus n and then minus minus plus 1. So this is minus 17, it is 4 plus 1, it is 5 minus n. This 4 and plus 1, it is 5. So this is minus 5, that is equals to minus n, and this is minus 17 minus 5, it is minus 22 equals to minus n. This minus will cancel out to this one. So there are 22 terms in this sequence whose last term is minus 17 over 6. Okay, students, now come to the next question here, that is question number 7. The second, 31st and the last term of an AP are 31 upon 4, 1 upon 2 and minus 13 upon 2 respectively, find the number of terms. That means we have to find out the n in this situation here. Here, if we will say that the third term is 17, for example, the third term means T3, that is equals to 17. If it is, say, question says 17th term is 25, that means that is T17, it is equals to 25. The same logic we have to apply in this question here. So here in this question says the second means T2, the 31st means T31, and the last term, that means Tn, are respectively given in the question. So here this is T2, it is 31 over 4. T31, it is 1 over 2, and the last term means Tn, it is equals to minus 13 over 2. Find the value of n here. Now come to the question again here. The second, 31st and the last term of an AP stands for Arithmetic Progression. We have discussed some details in the previous question. AP, Arithmetic Progression, are this and this respectively. Find the number of terms here. Second term means T2, 31st term means T31, and the last term means Tn are respectively given 31 upon 4, 1 upon 2 and minus 13 upon 2. Question says find the number of terms, that means we have to find out n here. So here we have a formula, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T2 means n2, T31 means n is equals to 31. So here T2 means n is equals to 2. So we have to put the value of n, it is equals to 2, and this is D. And what is the value of T2? It is equals to 31 over 4. And this is 2 minus 1 means 1. This is, say, equation number 1. Focus here again, students. This is T2. T2 means n is equals to 2. T31 means n is equals to 31. And Tn means n is equals to n here. So this is equation number 1. Now come to the T31. T31 means A plus 31 minus 1 into D, because n is equals to 31. And T31, its value is 1 over 2. So this is A plus 30 D. This is, say, equation number 2. And this is Tn. So first we have to solve the equation number 1 and 2 to find out the value of A and D, and Tn it is given in the question. Then we will find out the value of n here. So this is here, if we have to subtract equation number 1 and 2, subtracting equation number 1 and equation number 2. So this is here equation number 1, left hand side, T31 over 4 equals to A plus D. This is T2, 1 upon 2, it is equals to A plus 30 D. Now subtract this one. Change the sign. When we have to subtract two equations, then we have to change the sign of the second equation there. This is plus, minus, this is plus, minus. Now this plus a minus a will cancel out to this one. So this is 31 over 4 minus 1 upon 2, and this is minus 29 D. Minus 29 D. So just take out the LCM on the left hand side here. So here this is the simple ordinary LCM here. 4 and 2, we have a 2 LCM. 4 divided by 4, that is 1. 31. 2 divided by 4, the result is 2. 2 ones are 2. Just take out the simple LCM between two fractions here. So this is 31 minus 2, it is 29 over 4, and that is minus 29 D. So this 29 we have to shift on the left hand side here. So that will be 1 upon minus 29. This is the value of D. So this 29 will cancel out to this one, minus plus minus. So the value of D is minus 1 over 4. This is the value of D. Now we have to put this value in equation number 1. Put this value in equation number 1 to find out the value of A. So that is, this is equation number 1. 31 over 4, it is equals to A plus D. So this is 31 over 4 A, and what is D? 1 over 4. 1 upon 4. So just we have to shift this 1 upon minus 1 upon 4 to the left hand side. So this is plus 1 upon 4, it is equals to A. So this is same number here LCM. So there is no change in numerator. If we have a same denominator, then there is no change in the numerator. So this is 32. So this is the value of A. That is, A is equals to 8. This is A is equals to 8. Now we have the value of D is equals to minus 1 upon 4 and A is equals to 8. So just we have to again we have a formula here. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here what is the value of Tn? It is minus 13 over 2. What is the value of A? It is 8. What is n? It is required. And what is the value of D? And the value of D is minus 1 over 4. So this can be written in this form. This is 8 plus minus minus n minus 1 over 4 plus minus minus. So just take out the LCM. If there is no, that means we have a 1 in denominator. So this is minus 13 over 2 and this is 4. So this 4, 8 4s are 32 and then 1 multiplied by n minus 1. So this is, we have to shift this 4 here. So this is 13 multiplied by 4. So this is 32 minus n and minus minus plus. 2 2s are 4. So this is minus 13 multiplied by 2. 32 and 1, 33 minus n. 13 2s are minus 26. Plus 33, we have to shift this side here. So this is minus 6, 9, 2, 3, 5. It is 59 minus n. Minus minus cancel. So this is 59 number of terms in this question. Dear students, we have discussed second very important question of exercise 6.1. In this question, we have to find out the number of terms. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Allah Hafiz.